everybody, and welcome to our final celebration assembly for term 3. We have made it all the way to the end of term, and what an exciting term it has been. We have even managed to end the term with some snow, and I know all of you have been having so much fun at break times and lunch times playing with the snow, and even at home I've heard of some people going sledging, so how exciting. So well done for being really sensible but having so much fun in the snow. And I've also seen some absolutely fantastic learning this week, both online and in the classroom. And I must say a big shout out to Year 3. I've been looking at some of your history essays that you've been writing, and you have written an awful lot and learnt so much in your history. So well done there. Where shall we start today then? Lots of different things. Okay, I'm going to start with the Heart Awards. So our final Heart Awards for term 3 are going to, in Year R, Ella and George. In Year 1, the awards are going to Sophie and Gracie. In Year 2, they are going to Lacey and Lily May. In Year 3, the Heart Awards this week go to Charlie and Ruby. In Year 4, they go to Olivia T and George. In Year 5, the awards this week go to Louis and Lena. So well done to all of those for getting their Heart Awards, but well done to everyone for being so fantastic with their learning this term. Can we give everybody a big round of applause? Excellent, well done. Next. Very exciting news next. Now, you have all been really busy submitting your entries for the Paper Beach project competition. So if you're online, have a look, because the deadline isn't until 5 o'clock today to hand them in. And lots of you have been doing them in school. And I've been submitting them. That means I've been sending them off to the competition. They've been saying, thank you very much for all of your entries. But yesterday we heard the very exciting news that one of our Morehall entries was picked as a winner. Yay! And that means we have won £500 worth of library books for our Morehall library. How exciting is that? So I would like to reveal that the person who won the money for us is in Year 5. It is a boy. And that person is Archie. Well done, Archie. So the competition judges picked your entry as the winner for last week, which means you've won all those fantastic books for Morehall. So I'm sure if we see Archie around, we can give him a big thank you for getting all those books for us. And he said, reading takes me to space. And I have checked, and he has listened very carefully in his science lessons, and those planets are in the order they should be from the sun. So very good, Archie, and well done. Can we give Archie a huge round of applause and thank you from all of us? Brilliant, thank you, and well done, Archie. So as soon as I hear about those books, we will get ordering them, and we will reveal all the new books in the library when we come back. And on the Paper Beach project competition, I'm just looking at the leaderboard now, and we've just dropped to 2nd place. So we were in 1st, we've just dropped down to 2nd place. But if you have any more entries, please keep them coming in, put them up on Google Classroom, and I can send them off. So thank you everyone who's taken part in that. Brilliant work. What else do I have to say? Okay, some news about some of our teachers and teaching assistants. Now, if you are in Year 1, you'll know that Mr. Hickson has been working with you over the last 2 terms. Now, Mr. Hickson is with us as a student teacher, and that means he's got to go back to university and he's got to visit another school to teach even more children. So unfortunately, today is his last day with us, but we want to wish him so much luck in everything he does in the future and thank him for being a truly marvellous teacher. So can we give Mr. Hickson a big thank you? You can shout, he might hear you. Thank you! And a big round of applause. Brilliant, well done. And also, if you are in reception class, or if you are in Miss Westwood's Read Write Ink group, or even if you go to MASH Club, you will know that Miss Westwood is expecting a baby. So she's also having her last day with us today so that she can go away and have her baby. And we wish her lots of luck, and we look forward to seeing lots of pictures of the new baby when it arrives, don't we? So I'm sure Miss Westwood will send us in some pictures when the baby arrives, and we'll share them all with you. So can we wish Miss Westwood, it's a bit of a tongue twister, lots of luck from us, and say a big thank you. You ready to shout? Thank you. I'm sure she heard us. Yeah, you were very loud. So thank you to both of those, and we wish them lots of luck with their futures. I think we've come to the final bit that we've all been waiting for. We've been adding up your house points all term to see who the winner is going to be. I have the trophy right here, it's hiding, and I have put the ribbons on it to match the colour of the house team that have won. So what do you think? Are the ribbons going to be blue? Are they going to be red? Are they going to be yellow? Or are they going to be green? Okay, let's see which house has won the House Cup for term 3 in reverse order. So in 4th place with 1,346 points, we have Channel. Well done, Channel. Lots of house points there, so well done. Great work, Channel. In 3rd place with 1,459 points, we have Harbour. Well done, 3rd place. Well done, Harbour. 1,459 points. Okay. So it's between Warren and Lee's. Who do we think's won? Okay. Let's find out. Well, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll say that one of these houses has 1,527 points and the other one has 1,836 points. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to reveal the trophy, and you will see the coloured ribbons and you'll know if it is Lee's or Warren that have won. Are you ready? Drum roll, please. Yay! Congratulations to Warren House. Not much of a surprise because they have been in 1st place, I think, all term so far. So with 1,836 points, this term's winners of the House Cup are Warren House. Can we give them a big round of applause, please? Yay, well done. I will put that in the reception area so you can see that when you leave and when you come in at the end of the day. So congratulations to Warren, well done. Now, lots of house points to earn next term. We go back to 0, so it could be anyone to win this trophy next term. So we'll get working really hard next term and see if we can change those coloured ribbons. Well, that just leaves me to say thank you very much for another fantastic week, and thank you for an excellent term. You have all worked so hard, whether you're at home or at school. We couldn't have asked for any more. So well done, everyone, and well done to your adults at home. And you can have a week off. Aren't I kind? So it's half term next week, so I hope that you have lots of fun with your family and that you stay safe. Keep smiling. Be lovely to each other, and we will see you, most of you, when we come back next term. Well done, everyone, and well done to Warren.